Hello, I am Naima Hussein, and I am the director of the Upward Bound Math and Science program at Cuyahoga Community College in Cleveland, Ohio. And today I will be discussing the program regulations for Upward Bound program and Upward Bound Math and Science in a two-part video. The first video will focus on the Code of Federal Regulations, and the second video will focus on the allowable and the unallowable costs. The Code of Federal Regulations is an annual edition that is produced to provide permanent rules that are published in the Federal Registry and 50 titles for the federal regulations for programs. The Code of Federal Regulations is broken down into several parts so that it is easy to find depending on your particular program by title, part, section, subpart, the revision of year. Here is an example of how it is illustrated on the website. The Upward Bound program is under Title 34, Subtitle B, Chapter 6, Part 645. Under this first slide, it is in Subpart A, which is a high level of what the program actually is. And I will be talking at a high level of the Code of Federal Regulations from Subpart A through E. I will pause for a moment to give you time to read this slide in detail. At the bottom of this slide is the actual link that you can click on that will take you to the website so that you can see this in further detail for each section. Subpart B, what kinds of projects and services does the Secretary assist under this program? Subpart C, how does one apply for an award? Subpart D, how does the Secretary make a grant? Again, as I previously stated, I am just providing a high level of detail in the Code of Federal Regulations for the Upward Bound program and Upward Bound Math and Science to give you an idea overall of what is expected when you are managing and implementing your program and budget. Subpart E, what conditions must be met by a grantee? 645.40, what are allowable costs, and 645.41, what are unallowable costs, are very important as you implement and manage your program and budget. It was very beneficial and effective for me to utilize and read in detail when I was managing my program as I started as a new director 2.5 years ago. Thank you. If you have any questions, please contact Ms. Nichelle Knox at Cuyahoga Community College, and her email address is listed below.